Today I will show how to use modals, the rule of using modals. Okay. At first we let's go. We know about modals. Modals is can, could, may, might, must, ought to, shall, should, will, would, etc. And let's see the rules. For can, we can use to express ability and request, we can use can. To express past ability and suggestions, we can use could. To express permission, future possibilities, we can use may. For present or future possibilities, we can use might. To express necessity and obligation, we can use must. And to express what's right or correct, we can use ought to. And to express offer, suggestion, we can use shall. To express advice, prediction, we can use should. And to express willingness, prediction, promise, we can use will. And lastly, to express request, invitation, we can use would. Okay, this is all about the modal verbs. Thank you.